Hello students, welcome to computer class. First unit test is over and I have received all the responses given by you all. We were discussing chapter 5. So today we will continue that. All of you open your book. At first we will open MS Excel. For that we will press Windows key and R key together to open Run dialog box. Then we will type Excel in the text box here. After typing, we will click on OK or press Enter. Then we will click on blank workbook here to create a new workbook. Today we will discuss about the ribbon. It is in page number 51 of your book. So, what is a ribbon? The ribbon is a place where multiple commands are grouped and placed together in Excel. Now, what do we mean by a command? A command is like an order or directive that we give to Excel to perform certain tasks. Where is the ribbon located in Excel? See here, below the title bar and above the formula bar. This whole region from here to here, whole, is the ribbon. The ribbon contains multiple ribbon tabs like Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Formulas tab, Data tab, etc. And inside each ribbon tab, there is multiple similar commands grouped together, which is also known as ribbon groups. See, for example, this is a clipboard ribbon group. Inside this ribbon group, many similar commands are grouped together, like paste command, cut command, copy command, etc. And like this, many other ribbon groups are there, like font ribbon group, alignment ribbon group, number ribbon group, styles ribbon group, etc. Each ribbon tab contains many ribbon groups. See, inside insert ribbon tab, inside page layout ribbon tab, see, themes ribbon group, page setup ribbon group, scale to fit ribbon group, etc. This system of organizing commands in ribbon is also known as tabbed ribbon system. See, it is given in your book, page number 51, tab ribbon system. Now let's go to next page, page number 52. Changing ribbon display options. It means we can change the way how ribbons can be displayed in Excel, and this can be done using the up arrow button located in the top right corner of the Excel window, this one. This arrow button is also known as ribbon display options. When we will click on this button, a list of options will appear. 3 options are there. First one is auto hide ribbon, second one is show tabs, and third one is show tabs and commands. See, this is given in your book also, page number 52-53, auto hide ribbon, show tabs and commands. Clicking on the first option, auto hide ribbon, hides the ribbon and the workbook of Excel switches to full screen mode. We can again restore the ribbon by clicking on these 3 dots on the top right corner of the Excel window. Now let's see the second option, show tabs. When we will click on this option, only the ribbon tabs are shown. Ribbon groups are hidden. Only ribbon tabs are there. Ribbon groups are not there. They are hidden. When we will click on ribbon tabs, only then the ribbon groups will appear. Now, the third and the last option is show tabs and commands. This option is used to make all the ribbon tabs and all the ribbon groups visible. This is the default ribbon display option in Excel, which means this is the ribbon display option which we see when we open MS Excel. Now, let's go back to the textbook. The next topic given here is Quick Access Toolbar. It is a toolbar which contains frequently accessed commands. It means the commands which are very common, which are used many times when we work in Excel. In Excel, this Quick Access Toolbar is located in the top left corner. See, this is known as Quick Access Toolbar. This. Some commands are already located in the Quick Access Toolbar, like the save command here, so that we can save our file quickly by using this save command in the Quick Access Toolbar. We can add more commands to the Quick Access Toolbar if we want. The steps for doing so is given in your book, page number 53. See, I will show you how to do that practically. There is an arrow there in the right of the Quick Access Toolbar. When we will click on this arrow, a list of commands will appear. We can select any command that we want from the list here. If the command that we want is not available here, then we can select more commands option here to see the whole list of commands available in Excel. We can select any command from here to add to the Quick Access Toolbar. Like, suppose I want to add this open command to the Quick Access Toolbar. So first I will select this open command, then I will click on this add button here. See, this open command has been added in this window. Then we will click on OK button. See, open command has been successfully added to the Quick Access Toolbar. Like this, we can add any command that we want to the Quick Access Toolbar. That's it for today, children. Next class we will continue this chapter. Thank you.